So I think the other work that I have done is actually in collaborations with Hitachi Japan. So I have been developing devices trying to measure mental stress. So I think that mental health has becoming a very important topic, especially the past pandemics that we experienced. We have developed this electrical-based and also optical-based sensing systems to actually detect mental stress. Now, since we have developed that technologies, we actually have expand and moving towards mental resilience. I think the migration is natural because that we think that mental resilience is a positive thing. I think that and is important topic. So we have been actually requested by local universities in the nursing schools, and they try to understand why there's a high dropout rate amongst their nursing students, for instance. So we actually use our devices to help them to interpret what's the difference between a nursing students versus a registered nurse. Registered nurse is basically those who have graduated and working in the hospitals. So we study how they actually being resilient, or how they respond, how their brain responds to different maybe stressful occasions when they try to do decision makings. So from there, our result has been published and shared with the nursing schools on what is required. Now, such a studies is quite important because that the tool, what it suggests is that such a tools might be a good feedbacks to the teaching school. When and who are the candidates that they should pay more attention to, and how they can develop teaching modules which is more suitable and probably enhance them so that they can learn different strategies on coping the mental stress itself. So this is our products. We're looking at resilient assessment system for the mind. Basically, we use these EEG techniques, try to capture how the brain signals actually operates inside the brain. And these are examples on some of the brain signals that we capture, and we can see their droppings. And so we do a lot of processing on the brain signals. So from there, we actually do on the analytics and comes up with how the functions of the two different parts of the brain talk to each other. So from there, we start to find the patterns whereby how the brain activities versus the brain resilience. Now, one of the key things is actually looking at how we can create this stressful environment. And to do the stressful environment, we use this VR, AR. So when we wear the VRs, and we have the different scenarios from the subjects, and they can see the stressful conditions versus the normal condition. From there, we can see the brain patterns and so on. And there we can try to identify who are the low resilience, who are the high resilience. So from there, we hope that this one will be giving to the teachers and things like that who are the most stressful one and make interventions.